Classroom management is so important because it helps support the teaching and learning that we want to see in our classrooms. It means that our environments are really predictable. Students know exactly what's coming, they know exactly what's expected of them, and it means that they're able to attend to the tasks that are most important.
Classroom management is what the teacher does to maximise student engagement, to prevent problem behaviour, to teach the expected behaviours and to reinforce the behaviours we want to see. And how do we manage when things get a little bit wobbly?
Students can go anywhere in the school and any year level and be familiar with expectations, be familiar with key principles that matter. And even though they may differentiate between faculties and teachers, the core principles and strategies around those principles will be no surprise to the students.
It builds relationships, it builds connection, and it basically allows learning to occur in a way that the students understand and feel safe, not just academically, but socially and emotionally.
Prevention is better than reaction. If we can get to know the kids, know the signs of when they might be escalating, if we can minimise that and prevent that before something happens, I think that's better for the student involved, the other class members and the teachers as well.
It helps students in the development of social and emotional skills and self-regulation.
Often anxiety is a big issue for some students, and that predictability, knowing what's going to happen next, allows them to feel safe, and the students will often do a lot more in the class if they know that they're supported by their teacher and their peers.
My advice for teachers setting up their classrooms for success for all students is to have a very accessible classroom.
Really simple routines for diverse learners would be things like a seating plan where students know they have a place they sit in the classroom that has all the things they need, that meets their needs for light, hearing, for seeing, and they know that they can have strategies for communicating with the teacher.
I think the main thing is setting up your expectations from the start, setting up your routines from the beginning as well.
I think teacher wellbeing is very connected to student wellbeing. It's really important, and I think we need to start with our whole school culture and that whole idea of connectedness. We want our school to be a welcoming, inclusive environment, and that starts with the teachers and the things that we do that impacts on the students, which then impacts on the teachers, so it's very connected.
We put it at the centre because really it's not just around behaviour and it's not just around classroom management that we're looking at, it's across all aspects of school engagement. We know it's important in terms of curriculum development, finding contextual approaches for our students and making sure that their learning is making sense for them, and making sure that we have opportunities to bring our families and our parents in to see the wonderful work that they're doing as well.